Welcome back to Ramli's Kitchen channel, and before everything else, please, when you get to this stage, remember to, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and click that notification bell. Today we are going to do something fry. Okay, it's all about why. We're going to fry a few seafood items. Before that, first thing that we're going to do is preparing tartar sauce. No, you don't get tartar sauce here ready-made, so we're going to make some tartar sauce. Okay, I got my ingredient here. Firstly, that's the mayonnaise. This is gherkin. Well, let's keep some. Would you like to have some? Okay. How many are we looking at? That? More? That's fine. Okay. And that is capers. Enough? Yeah? A bit more. You like capers, don't you? Okay. Okay, there's capers. Capers are actually flower buds. Little pieces. Okay. That goes in here. Okay. That's 1, 2. We could make our own mayonnaise. One day we make our own mayonnaise, but we are in a hurry. Should not be any excuse, isn't it? But we could make our own mayonnaise. And we, dill. We don't have fresh dill, but this will do. Enough? More?
Yeah. Big one.
Okay. Give you that very greenish color, very strong green color. I like to use this little bit of vinegar in here, give you an extra taste. So, okay, there you go. Well, who does say? You're saying you need a bit more sour?
Yeah.
Okay. Lemon? You can hear the police siren. You can hear the police sirens and the dog barking. It's good. It's going to be very liquidish. So we have very lemony sort of mayonnaise. The runny should be okay. Was it? You like it? Okay. What I think we put it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, here we go. Mayonnaise in the freezer. Mayonnaise is done.
Let's just keep that.
Look at that. You put it here. The tartar sauce is so marvelous. Sorry, I forgot about this one. I'm just going to use my tartar sauce for my salad dressing. Remember, subscribe and click that notification button. I will say it in Malay this time. Selamat menyambung selera. Ta.